Hey guys, Jenny Strebe, founder of Aiir Professional here, and today I want to show you guys how to use our texture Aiir. So now again, this is infused with crystal quartz and mica, and what we're going to do on our lovely model here is really help build all of this texture, and we're going to do a low chignon. So just going to spray it all over, building that texture. You can see how automatically she has all that fullness throughout there. Pull it back, do the same thing on the opposite side. I'm gonna leave a little subsection in the front out for later. So her hair is super fine, so this texture is just gonna build and build. We're gonna create a low ponytail, just using my fingers here. We're going to spray some of that texture Aiir for lots of volume, grit and texture. Holding onto those baby ends, really pulling it out. And we have a low chignon in minutes. Bobby pin it into place. And drop that subsection. I'm gonna use our hairspray that we're coming out with soon. Use a little bit more texture Aiir. Take our palms, just massage some of this hair out for a really effortless low chignon. Using all Aiir products. Now she has all this gorgeous texture in her hair. We're gonna finish it off by using some hair and energy refresher. And all you're gonna do with this is shake it up, kind of spritz it around. And what that's really gonna allow the hair to do is tame any of those flyaways or frizz. So I hope you guys enjoy Aiir Professional products. There are so many that are gonna be launching soon, so definitely stay tuned. Join our journey at Aiir Professional, the first crystal infused hair care line in the world. I'll see you guys soon.